Devi Paksh has already begun, which means that Durga Puja is just days away. From Saturday, the festival is supposed to be on full swing. Puja organizers have spent crores this year to build their puja pandals. We are in South Kolkata, and this is a puja pandal which is very popular because of its beautiful artwork that is done each year. But the situation here is so grim that the pandal is now just lying in darkness with waterlogged streets on this side. All the artwork has been completely submerged. Some of the ply on top has come down, and it's going to be a very difficult situation for the puja organizers to rebuild these pandals, which have taken days of hard work of artisans, months altogether to put it together. But what now remains is completely waterlogged streets, isolated roads, and the celebrations seem to have been completely washed away for the time being. While the state government, of course, is on war footing trying to bring down the waterlogging on the streets, but has not been successful so far. Since morning, 6 lives have been lost in Kolkata due to electrocution. The work in this puja pandal has also come to a complete standstill. It's completely plunged into darkness. Artisans have been waiting for the rains to stop, but the work has come to a standstill as rain has brought Kolkata on its knees, bringing life completely out of gear. And people, the artists spend months to erect these puja pandals, to get the sculptures on time. They have just left their work, and terrible scenes coming in from Kolkata. Just days left for Durga Puja, and before that, the city battling with a flood-like situation. With Anirudh Tripathi, Shreya Shide for NDTV.